If you're looking for an affordable tablet for streaming, reading, or everyday use, the new Fire HD 10 might be exactly what you need. I've been using it for a while now, and it's a noticeable step up from the previous model. The first big improvement is performance. It's 25% faster than the 12th generation Fire HD 10 and over 30 grams lighter, which makes it more comfortable to hold for longer periods. The 10.1-inch 1080p Full HD display looks bright and sharp, perfect for movies, YouTube, or casual gaming. Amazon also upgraded the front camera from 2MP to 5MP. Video calls look a lot clearer, which is great if you use it for chatting with family or friends. Inside, it has 3 GB of RAM, plus 32 or 64 GB of storage, and you can expand that up to 1 TB with a microSD card. The 13-hour battery life is another big plus. I can easily use it all day without recharging. The tablet is built to be tough too. Thanks to aluminosilicate glass, it's 2.7 times more durable than the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. There are a few different versions. The standard Fire HD 10 for adults, the Fire HD 10 Kids for ages 3 to 7, and the Fire HD 10 Kids Pro for kids 6 to 12. They also come in different colors like black, lilac, and ocean, and you can choose between ad-supported or ad-free models. It's not perfect. There's no Google Play Store, just the Amazon App Store, and the speakers are decent but not great. Still, for its price, you get strong performance, a great display, long battery life, and solid durability. Overall, I'd give it an 8.8 out of 10. If you want to check it out or see the latest price, you'll find the link in the description below.